Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AppLock, or you can use the AppLock FingerPrint app if your Android supported. So no need a third party, no need the other software. You can use the AppLock via settings, minimum Android 11. So you can open your Android settings, you can scroll down and you can search manually. You can try to use, or you can try to tap AppLock. Here this is the AppLock, so you can tap AppLock and enter privacy password that you have. After that, the app list will refill, and try to lock your app that you want. Here for example, so in order to open the app, you need access, or you need security code. For example, the game FM24 mobile already locked. When you tap this app, you can use privacy password to open, or you can use fingerprint if supported. But if not, you can try to search the fingerprint app lock on the Play Store. Here we go, fingerprint app lock. You can install one of the application that you want. For example, this one, AppLock Pro or AppLock FingerPrint. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.